For the saxophone ring, we're going to open up our paper clip. As always, just give it a few little pinches with your flat pliers to open it up. You can also do this with your fingers, but I find it easier with the flat pliers. We're just going to leave a little bit of space here. Just bend this way and bend that straight that way. If you want the corners sharper, just use flat pliers, and then we're going to hold this and push it straight up. So that's our beginning part. We just want to make a few little buttons. This will just represent the buttons, so we could just do maybe 3, maximum 4. If you're using wire, you can make this bigger, of course, and do more detail, but the paper clip is a little bit small, so we're going to just go around here. If you need these smaller, just pinch them with your flat pliers. And then we need this one to come down here, and this one will curve around. As we've done before, we're just going to push this one around so it's more curved. And then the other thing you can do is just bend that out to represent sort of the top of the saxophone. And then this one you can bend up a little bit. It could kind of touch the edge of the bell there. And there you have your saxophone ring.